So you're ready to register for the course. So this is how you're going to do that. You're just going to go to our website. You click right here on business courses. This is the Profit First course. And then you click here on learn more. And then scroll down here and click here to register. And then if someone referred you to the course, click here on their name. Otherwise, you can click right here. And then it will let you, these are the 3 different packages. So if you want to do level 1, you click there. If you want to do level 2, you click there. And if you want to do level 3, you can click there. Now, level 2 and level 3 do have the option of a payment plan. So you can make 2 payments instead of 1 and split that out between 2 different 2 months. So you can choose there. So you can click on whatever one you want to register for. And then I think from there, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to get to a screen where you're going to get to a little questionnaire you've got to fill out where you've got to put in your name, your email address and stuff. Now this, we do need your actual physical address because remember your course will include a copy of the Profit First book. So we need to know where to mail that to. And then right here, if up here you put your email address and maybe it's your work email and that's not the one your Facebook is set up under, you need to put your Facebook email address here so that we can add you to the Facebook group. And you just click submit and then it's going to walk you through the payment on the next screen, and everything else should be pretty self-explanatory. Once you've registered, you should get 2 emails. You should get a welcome email, and you should get a what's going to be covered in module 1 email. And then if you signed up for a level 2 or level 3, you'll also get an email that will have you walk you through how to schedule your strategy sessions. So hopefully not too bad. We try to make this low friction as possible. So hopefully it's pretty easy to sign up for the course. So I look forward to being able to work with you.